Good morning, guys! Birthday ko ng sister-in-law ko ngayon, guys. So, ayun, mini-message ko siya. I-share ko sa inyo, guys. Naglagay lang ako ng, eto, guys. Ito yung paborito ko na face shield sunscreen with SPF 50 from Color Science, guys. Para siyang foundation, para siyang baby cream. Ayun, ang kulay is kamatch ng whole body ko, guys. Hindi siya light, hindi siya dark, tama lang. Parang lighter siya tingnan sa camera, gawa ng ilaw, tumama sa mukha ko. Pero pag tinignan ko siya sa salamin, guys, tama lang siya. Para lang ako, parang wala lang. Ganyan. Wala akong lipstick, guys. Tapos, ito yung semi-permanent na eyebrow ko. Semi-permanent eyeliner. Yan lang, guys. Yan lang ang ganapan. Painitin ko lang ang aking wax warmer, guys. Tapos, mag-coffee ako, guys. Sa kabilang kwarto. Ito yung aking warmer. Ganyan. Tapos, isaksak ko na siya dito. Tapos, ito yung beads na gamit ko, guys. Hard wax beads. Lagay ko lang siya sa warmer. Ayan yung beads, guys. Mag-antay lang tayo ng 30 minutes. Luma na ang warmer na to, guys. So, ano na siya? Beat up na siya. But that is the warmer and the wax beads. Palang natin. Magko-coffee lang ako, guys. Ito yung coffee na gamit ko, guys. Pumpkin flavor. Pumpkin spice from Starbucks. It's good. Amoy pumpkin. Tamang-tama sa season ngayon. Kasi, autumn. Siya nga pala, ito yung ko, guys. I-share ko sa inyo. Na-mention ko to sa vlog ko kahapon na collagen. This is from, binili ko siya online. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Kasi yung collagen daw, dapat hydrolyze siya. Kuha tayo ng itlog, guys. Papaubos. Kailangan ko palang bumili ng itlog. Kasi ito na lang. Scrambled egg tayo. Naku, nantok pa ako. Hala ka. Ubus ang tubig ng aking machine. Kailangan natin siyang lagyan ng asukal. Ang gamit kong asukal, guys, is stevia. Nag-stevia na ako. At first, ayaw ko yung lasa. Kasi parang hindi siya normal. Iba yung lasa niya. Pero ngayon, nagsanay na ako, guys. Kasi mag-1 year na yata ako gumamit nito. So, ato na. Ever since, ito na yung ginamit ko. Natutunan ko to kay Pauline, sa asawa ko. Mula nang nag-keto diet siya. Yan lang, kaunti lang, guys. So, masyadong madami ang asukal. Tapos, isang itlog na lang pala, guys. Iisipan ko mag-scrambled egg. Usually, pag nag-scrambled egg kasi ako, 2 itlog. Ngayon, isa na lang. So, hindi na lang ako kakain ng breakfast. Ito na lang guys, magtinapay naman tayo. Ito-toast ko ang tinapay. Papaubos na rin siya. Ah, so good guys. Tapos na. Ayan siya guys. Slow morning. Saturday. Medyo malamig sa labas, guys. Sabi ni Paul, medyo malamig daw. Ano na ngayon? December na kasi, guys. November 23rd. But today is Saturday. Nakalimutan ko na ang mga araw, guys. Sa dami ng mga bagay na pumasok na sa aking kaisipan. Limutin talaga ako, guys. Hindi ko maalala yung mga petsa, anong araw na ngayon. Lalo na pag andito lang ako sa bahay, hindi ko minamind yun. Ano ba? Paano? Nilagyan ko ng mayonnaise, guys. Yun lang ang palaman. Usually kasi nag-avocado toast ako. Hindi, wala. Naubusan ako ng avocado ngayon. So, ayun, mayonnaise na lang muna. Ang gamit kong bread ay brown bread. Guess what guys? Paul just came home. Binila niya ako ng boba. It's matcha milk boba and pearl. Same place nung binilhan niya last time. It's good. Tiger. That's good. Matamis ng konti. Pero masarap siya guys. Wala. Hinugasan ko. Pinaglagay ko sila sa ito yung dishwasher. Yung dishwasher, ginawa ko na siyang storage. Ito yung dishwasher, guys. Ginawa ko na siyang storage kasi nag-hand wash naman ako. So, hindi ko na siya ginamit na panghugasan. Sanay ako sa hand washing. Ayan. So, pag green tea, guys, matapang ang caffeine. Parang mas matapang pa sa iniinom ko na coffee this morning. Gagamit tayo ng ito, round cotton pads. And then, kailangan natin ng popsicle stick. Yes, and then I also have yung pang prep. Kukunin ko lang. Ito guys, kailangan natin ng pre-hand. So this is how I prep my skin. But before that, i-check natin yung consistency ng wax. Oh, tama yung consistency niya guys. Ganito. Ganyan. Kasi ayaw natin yung masyadong liquid. Kasi maano tayo nun masusunog yung balat natin pag masyadong liquid siya. Dapat tama lang. Alam ko na to kasi lagi ako nag-wax guys. Another way of testing as well is use yung rest dito. And then, I'll just do like this. Ay, malaki. Yan. So, tama lang guys. Hindi siya mainit. Ganyan. Pag pinapat-pat mo ng ganyan, tapos hindi siya dumikit dito sa kamay. Ano na yan? Okay. Good. Perfect. Kasi pinapawisan, nag-ano ako guys, na-record ako ng sayo-sayo sa TikTok. Pinapawisan yung kilikili ko. But I use this one. This is the pre-epilation cleanser. I'm just gonna clean my kilikili. Ready? Wala naman masyadong buhok ng aking kilikili guys. Simula na nag-wax ako, hindi na siya masyadong tumutubo. So, paunti na lang. Ayan lang siya. Close your eyes sa mga masasalan. Baka may viewers tayo na hindi kaya panoorin yung kilikili. So, what I did is pataas ko lang siya nilagay. That's how it looks like. Antayin ko lang siya matuyo. And then I can rip it from this side. Opposite way tayo guys. Kasi dito ako nag-start. Ngayon naman, pag-rip. Dito ako nag-start sa taas. And then, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ew, that's the hair! It's gross. That's that guys. Punta tayo sa kabilang kwarto. We're getting ready, Matley stuff.
Promotes dental development. All these toys promotes dental development. Encourages proper chewing habits.
Ah, okay. Which one?
All of these.
Are we gonna give this all to him at the same time, or?
No, we'll have all those. You can have them like a little bowl, and then you can pick them.
How are you gonna use all of this, honey? There's a lot. This is for teething too?
Yes.
So when we get him, honey, is he gonna be teething that time or not yet?
No, he should be kind of done, but he'll be teething after that. I'll ask her.
Yeah, because the teeth is not gonna grow back altogether, right?
He'll have his baby teeth in, and she said like they'll fall out in another 6 months.
Ah. What is that soup that she gave to
It
them?
wasn't soup, baby. It was the kibble mixed with water.
Kibble?
Kibble, the dried pellets. That's what we're going to be feeding him. But she said when we get him, by the time we get him, he won't be. When they're babies, they can't eat straight kibble. It has to be mixed with water because they can't chew it good. By the time she said when we get him, he'll be eating regular kibble, and we'll keep the same brand that she uses.
Kibble? That's the brand, Kibble?
Right, Royal Canin. There's so many different ones. She said if you ever wanted to change the brand, you got to do it gradually. You can't do it just all at once.
Yeah, let me cut it with that scissor. This one too. Yeah, just repeat it. Oh! This is so cute. What's that for?
Yeah, this has to come out though. It's not coming out.
It should come out.
It's not.
Oh, I think we have to cut it really short
Yeah.
with a small scissor.
You get the small scissors. Or the clippers in the bathroom.
Or my small scissor. That's my small clipper from here. Small scissor. Tiny, tiny scissor. It's so cute.
That's fine.
Funny. Oh, you just you move it and it will like give. Oh, it's a doorbell. This is. Oh, this is the bell.
What's in that bag?
These are his stuff that I need to wash. Look, these are his stuff toy.
Okay.
Yes. It's so cute. I need to wash this.
Once you wash the plates, I'll put one in his pen.
Oh, but we need to wash it when he comes here too. Maybe for now, yeah, I'll wash them. Dami guys. Ang dami laruan ni Matli. Ha? So, lalabhan ko. Tapos ito yung rug niya. Kailangan ko ring labhan. Yan, lalaba ako ng mga gamit ni Matli. Maglalaba tayo. Can you open the washer, honey? Yeah, I'm gonna throw this in the washer.
Let me take the pads out of this pillow.
Okay. Okay, that's there. Ito yung detergent para sa aso, guys. Ay, pet detergent. Pet detergent. Lalagay ko lang dito. Ito yung gagamitin natin.
Yeah, look.
What is it?
Look, they have sections.
Sections for what?
Look.
Okay, I'm coming. Let me start the washer.
No, we gotta put this in there too.
Oh, what is that? Let me see. Oh, the stuff that came in yesterday. We need to wash this. The courier, this one? We need to wash this? More things to wash. Okay. Anything else? You got more?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna start the washer, okay? That's it. Wash your clothes. What are you doing? What's that? Chicken? Yummy! Ito yung kahapon na chicken. Bumili ng asawa ko ng ice cream sa Walmart, guys. Check natin ang ice cream. What is this?
It's mine.
Mga ice cream. Popsicle. Masarap to. Matamis lang masyado. Chocolate ang flavor from Häagen-Dazs. Yummy! Yung kanin. Ito. May isang piraso na salmon. Ito yung kakainin ko. Tapos, may gulay. Ayan siya.
Dude, you done with this box? It really has to go.
Yeah, maybe we'll put that away. I don't think I need that. I have the printer is really good. It's better than the last one.
I'll throw
Okay,
it.
last time. Ito yung lunch ko, guys. Nagluto ako ng gulay. Ito, binilagyan ko ng itlog. Tapos may salmon din. Ito yung broccoli, steamed broccoli na niluto ko last time. The other day. Tapos kanin. Lunch tayo. Kain, guys. Late na. Ano oras na dito? 2 something na, guys. So, kain. Maingay sa likuran ang dryer. Nilagay ko na sa dryer yung mga nilaban natin gamit ni Matli. Do you remember if Sam's has a bag of chocolate? The big chocolate?
I forget. They probably do.
Or do you wanna go to Costco or Beijing's?
Go look at how much space you have in that box.
I'm gonna take out some of the clothes because we can put some of those clothes in the garbage. Because the kids like chocolates. I-set natin ang carrier ni Matley, guys. Para sa sasakyan. Oh, this is kind of like deep. And then this goes here, right?
Where's the instructions?
You're here. It's just pictures.
Follow it. Follow it. Yes. Yep. That goes first.
So what do you put?
Look at the picture, baby. Look at
So
the
it
picture.
goes like, I'm gonna place that into the corner. Like that. Dito pala.
Slip the fabric cover over the dog seat. Yeah, so now comes the fabric thing. So
Okay. That.
that's gotta go down, baby.
So it doesn't go all the way down. Oh, it's like he's swinging. And then you put this. Let's put this one so we have like. Oh, there you go. It's better like that. Just like that, I guess.
Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah.
And then you clip this to the car.
Yep.
Where this goes in the
Oh, the seatbelt.
on the seatbelt.
Yep. You can put supplies right here on the side.
I can put his supplies, water. We gotta bring him. Don't forget, we need to get water. That's it. Nice. Ayan na siya, guys. Ang bed ni Matley. Lagay na natin siya sa bedroom. Should I put this in the bedroom or stay here?
Put that in the bedroom.
Okay. Ang lambot niya. Maganda sa balat. So, ito din yung carrier niya, guys. Ready na sila. Madilim. Tapos, ito yung throw blanket niya. Throw blanket na ilalagay sa couch pag gusto niya umupo. So, dito sila, guys. Habang wala pa si Matley, dyan sila.
Good.
It's good?
Try it.
I'm gonna try it. Kain, guys. It's pizza. Chicago pizza. Ginawa ni Paul. Hot. It's so good. Super cheesy. Inood ako ng vlog. Nag-study ako. Hindi matapos-tapos ang assignment ko, guys. Nagutom ako. Gabi na, guys. Balik ito na yung dinner namin. Masarap talaga siya. Thanks for watching.